Okay, question 5. Figure 8 is a velocity time graph for a lift moving upwards in a tall building. Now, be careful in terms of picture what's going on. This is not a lift that's gone, so imagine 2 floors, up, then down, and then up, then down. This is a lift, imagine there's a number of floors, and in this part, it accelerates on the first part of its journey, then it moves at a constant speed in that part, and then it decelerates, and then the people get off on that floor. Then it has a period, this is where the people are exiting, then it goes up again, it accelerates, it then moves at a constant speed, moves at a constant speed, and then decelerates. Okay, so just to get you to picture that, because they love an example of a lift to try to catch you out, because you see things moving up and down and you think that's what the lift is doing. Okay, so it says at what length of time is the lift at rest? So I'm looking for 0 meters per second. So there's 0 meters per second. And we can see it's at 0 between 6 and 9. So 9 take away 6 is 3 seconds. Use the graph to determine the maximum velocity of the lift. So it's 4 here. It's 4.6 here. So the answer must be 4.6, the maximum one. Use the graph to determine the acceleration. So I've taught you that's delta y over delta x, because ultimately this is v minus u divided by your change in time. So during the first 1.4 seconds, so it's this part. So our change in y is 4, our change in x is 1.4, and we know it's 4 over 1.4 equals 2.9. Next part, let's get rid of all of these bits. Use the graph to determine the distance the lift travelled during the first 6 seconds. So from a velocity time graph, that's the area under the graph, and it's the first 6 seconds. So I'm doing this part here between 0 and 6, and you just got to split it into its shapes. And I've got shape A, shape B, and shape C. So here's the answer. So the first part, I'm doing shape A, 1.4 times 4, and then divide by 2 because it's a triangle, 2.8 meters. The next one, this is a change of 3.6. This is a change of 4. Multiply it together, don't divide by 2. It's not a triangle. 14.4. And then the C, and I'll just get rid of some of the scribblings now. We're then left with 1 times 4 divided by 2 is 2 meters. Add that all together, 19.2 meters. So I hope that makes sense. At 18 seconds, the lift starts to move downwards. Sketch a line to show it moving. So at 18 seconds, it's going to go like that. It's moving downwards now. So it's accelerating back down towards a lower floor. And there we go.